So today we're going to change the cabin air filter on a 2006 Lexus IS350. So I went down to the dealer. You can go to either Toyota or Lexus, same thing. This is the cabin air filter. Number 87139-50100 is the charcoal air filter. You can get the 50060, which is the plain white paper filter. But this one costs more, like double the price, almost triple the price. And you can see it's more like charcoal instead of plain white paper. It's supposed to give you fresher air. The dealer told me the white paper one is not sold anymore. It's been superseded by the more expensive part. I don't know if that's true or if he was just trying to charge me more money. But this thing was like 46 bucks instead of like 17. So anyway, it is what it is. That's all he had. So let's change this filter. Okay, to do this job, we just go to the glove compartment, open it up. See a little shelf here? Pop it up and then pull it out. So you see how it's held in there. And then there's this little door here. Pull that out of the way. It's the whole door assembly there. Set that aside. And now you see the cabin air filter. I'm going to show you one thing. There is a recirculator that closes. If it's closed, I'm going to turn the key on, hit it 2 times. And if we go over here, and if that is closed, we go over here and we hit the recirculate button. See, it's on outside air right now. See, outside air. If we go to recirculate, I'm going to push it and you're going to watch that door open. Watch, I'm going to push it now. And that door opens. That's how you get to it. And let's turn the engine key off. There we go. So if I get 2 fingers in there at the same time, pull, push in, pull up. There we go. There we go. So I pushed in on these 2 and pulled up at the same time with my fingers. Pushed in, pulled up. This one's not a push tab. It's just used to pull it out. And you can see in there, there's the fan that spins around right below that. And this has a marking that says up. So you want that side to be facing up when you replace the filter. So this is the plain paper filter, not the charcoal one. It's pretty dirty. It's never been changed since I've owned this car. So I'll show you how to change it. Okay, so we have the upside. So just bend the paper a little bit, get it out from under those tabs, take it out. Really dirty. Take our new filter. I'm going to wash this first. This is gross. I'm going to wash it. Okay, back from a quick wash and air dry. The new filter out. Okay, so this filter says up. So see how it's only going to fit one way. So let's put it up. There we go, it's in. And let's go put it back in the car. Okay, back inside the car. Make sure this is oriented saying up. There we go. Take our little door, put our little cover back on there. Put these two corners have to go in above there, and then push down. There we go. That's in. Take our little shelf. Put in the side first, and then the 2 feet. There we go. That's all done.